Hello, and welcome to the Refracted Light Fiber Arts YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to work the 2/2 left-leaning cable with a decrease on the left side. This is a cable that is used in my Fool of a Two Cat pattern, and I developed this cable myself when I was designing the hat, so I'm making this tutorial to help you get a better sense of how to work this stitch. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so let's get into the demonstration for how to work the 2/2 left-leaning cable with a decrease on the left side. So if you watched the video for this cable with a decrease on the right side, you know that we worked up to one stitch before the cable. For this one, since the stitch that we're decreasing is on the left side, we're going to work right up to our cable. So I've worked up to the 4 stitches of my cable here. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to rearrange those stitches for the cable. So I'll show you how to do that without a cable needle here. So I'm going to take the tip of my right needle and I'm going to insert it into my 3rd and 4th stitches on the back of my work. Okay? Then I'm going to pull the first 4 stitches on my left needle off. So now I've got 2 on my right needle and 2 hanging free. I'm going to insert my left needle into those 2 free hanging stitches from the front, and then I'm going to pull the right and left needles back to their respective sides, which crosses my stitches. So then I'm going to slip the 2 stitches from my right needle back onto my left needle, and now I've rearranged my stitches. Okay? So we're going to knit 3. So I'm knitting the first 3 stitches of my cable. Okay, so I knit 3. Now I'm going to decrease the next 2 together. So I'm going to work an SSK decrease. Slip, slip, and then you knit those 2 together. Okay, so I'll work this next stitch so we can kind of see. So now I've got my 2/2 cable, my 4-stitch cable here, but I've decreased 1 stitch on the left side of it. And that is how you work the 2/2 left leaning cable with a decrease on the left side.